Okay, ladies, let me know in the comments down below. Does your husband have a routine hair care, skin care, body care, anything like that where like low-key, you're jealous? Let me know.
Just tell me already. Back like a level love. 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 Okay. I heard you like Sony. What?
I'm braiding my husband's hair right now, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm using. I've never really seen content like this, so I thought that this would be helpful for some. So I am using this super wet maximum hold hairstyling gel. I got this from Walmart. This was like, I don't know, I want to say at the time I got it was like 88 cents or something wild, like $2.88. It's something super crazy, but it's very inexpensive, 35 ounces. I'm also using these Annie rubber bands 500 pack. As far as like repurposing things, definitely get the container at first and then just re-up with the 99-cent 500 ones. That's what I did. So right here I also have the Style Fixer locking wax, the ultimate hold. This is from Red by Kiss. It has an orange scent to it, which it actually does. It's really nice. This has a really nice hold to it. I know it says locking. They do have a braiding one as well. I have that one, but sometimes it's just not that great to use when I'm really wanting to hold the hair down. So this is what I'm using. I also did put a little bit of argan oil onto his hair just to give it a little bit of some shine and just a little bit of moisture to it. And I am also using this brush from Red by Kiss. It's called the Curl Art Styler. Basically, these parts right here, you're able to define your curl, and this brushes out the curl. He has really nice curly hair, so it's very nice and easy to use. So as you see, I have finished a couple of braids so far. They're very, very nice and long. Don't laugh at my parting, okay? The super wet is applied to the hair right here. You can see it's really nice and just fluffy and beautiful and curly. And then this is his hair without it. You can see that it's a little drier, a little brittle, but with that super wet, it just instantly adds some moisture to it. So if you're looking for something that's very inexpensive to add moisture, if you're the gel person, if you want to get back to that type of clean, clear way of defining your curls, I definitely suggest this super wet. I think it's really good. It doesn't really cake or anything, especially when you're washing your hair after. You're not going to get that whole buildup situation with this. I have experienced that it doesn't have product buildup like you would think. So what I'm doing today is I'm just giving him 3 big ones and 2 smalls on the side for a total of 10 braids. So this is something super easy for any woman to do, even if you're inexperienced with doing hair. Yes, I know, I'm just like, it's so nice and soft. It's so soft. But yes, other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and I'll show you the final product or final result. So this is the finished result. And one thing I do want to say, okay, ladies, let me know in the comments down below. Does your husband have a routine hair care, skin care, body care, anything like that where like low-key, you're jealous? Let me know, okay? So my husband has like really nice hair. I mean, to the point where I'm trying to figure out why mine is breaking, and I literally had a conversation with him just now and realized like he has the perfect hair routine. So if you guys want me to show you like the hair oils that he uses, even all the way down to supplements, like things that we really don't think about, then do let me know in the comments down below, because I can definitely let you know. Most of the stuff that we get is definitely available on Amazon, so you know I got you with that. But yeah, this is the finished result. And one thing that I do like about using the combo of the super wet and the Style Fixer locking wax is that it's a wax, right? So the wax acts as like a cover, basically. This moisture that adds to your hair with the super wet, it gets sealed in with this locking wax, and I really like that. And if you do use these products, I will go ahead and link them, of course, but when you do use the products, you might see that a little bit of white film might happen, but as you see right here, sorry, as you see right here, it's completely gone. And that's because it soaks into the hair really nicely and just adds a really nice layer of moisture that you don't have to put something on the hair afterward, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you're interested in more videos like this, then definitely make sure you like and share this video for other wives to see. And I love you all so much. God bless.
She used to be my buddy, yeah. We chill, yeah, buddy, yeah. She used to be my buddy, yeah, buddy. Now we chillin', yeah. She used to be my buddy, now what? We chillin'. She wanna get up on the phone and tell me how she feelin'. She said she need another job, her current's not fulfilled.